It's AG-PVC insulated single core cable.
Oh.
DX10.
Cool. Then what's his deal? What are we doing?
We're setting up the DX Commander that we just got.
Awesome. Cool. The big DX Commander. 80. Well, it has 80 on it. Too cool.
Got some ground stakes.
Nice. There you go. You never have enough ground stakes. More wire. Wow, okay, so they sent it in individual rolls instead of one big one.
So 3 rolls of wire. 4 ground stakes.
Yeah. So I wonder where the weak points in the antenna are. They say only 400 watts on FT8. I don't know. Maybe we can find out what in the heck it doesn't like and get that up to 1,000.
More rope.
Oh, there you go.
So that way we can hang the wire and guide the antenna.
Yep, we definitely want to guide it more than normal. We're supposed to get thunderstorms here, so.
All the plates for it.
Yep. So basically you're going to feed your mom's FT8 addiction, huh?
Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
So she can do digital modes with more power than just 100 watts.
There you go. Exactly. She likes getting the middle of Russia at 2 in the morning. So. Okay, all right. Well, we'll film the build as it goes. Any major parts and anything else, we'll film it out. We'll have you, Chris, Sarah, and Mom go ahead and build it.
All kinds of connectors here.